Hello guys, today the influencers are here with their new product which is windshield snow cover. This company is run by 4 members. First one is Jashandeep Singh, then Navjot Kaur, then Karanveer Singh and at last Dipanpreet Kaur. Windshield snow cover. It is a product which we apply on windshield in snowfalls so that one can save their time in removing the snow from windshield instead of removing it with hands or with an instrument. One can easily remove it with snow cover. If we with this product's benefits, there are many benefits of this product. First of all, it safeguards the window from the scratches. As we all know, windshield snow cover. The cover we will apply on the windshield while snowfall, and the time when we will apply it on windshield or after the snowfall when we have to go out, we what we will do is, if there will be no cover, we will use an instrument and start removing the snow from windshield. But sometimes what happens is that instrument due to that instrument some scratches are applied on the windshield, which is not good for one, because it is really not easy to drive a vehicle with a scratched windshield. For this we have a solution which is simply windshield snow cover. What we will do is, when we will apply this cover on the windshield, and at the time when we will have to remove the snow from windshield, we don't have to make any effort. What we have to do is, we have to remove the cover. That's it. No instrument, nothing else. The second benefit of this is, it helps to maintain comfortable temperature in all the seasons. Now you might be thinking that it is not possible, but if we think scientifically, it is really possible, man. When we are driving the car, we use heaters in the cars, and due to that, the temperature remains hot of the car, and the time when we park it, the temperature remains hot for some time. But when we apply the windshield cover on the car, it helps to maintain that temperature of the car exactly what it was while use of the car. Even it helps in summers too, because in summer seasons we use ACs in the cars. At that time it helps in same way, but just the difference is it keeps the car cold. Thirdly, it keeps the windshield free of snow. It means you don't have to remove the snow from windshield, because there will be cover. Easy. After that, the other benefit is, it eliminates the need to scrape ice away. There is no need to scrape the ice, as we know. In snowfall, when the temperature is too down, sometimes ice freeze on the windshield, or I would rather say on the whole car. We can remove the ice from other parts of car with hammer or anything, but we cannot use hammer on windshield. If we will use it, it will definitely crack the windshield. If we will apply windshield cover on it, it will be really easy for one to remove the cover, and there are no chances of freezing ice on windshield. It is really a good point, or I would rather say key point to this product. After that, it prevents sun damage. As we know, we don't have much area to park more cars, and in developed countries, everyone have their personal car. So the when we park a car outside, the rays, sunlight rays, it may impact on the product, even on windshield, on car, other products too. But if we will provide the cover to you and you will apply it on your car, there will be less chances of any sun damage. It prevents sun damage. After that, it protects your hand. We all know, being in that situation, that you have to remove the snow from the car into cold temperature is not easy task. It really impacts on your hands while removing the snow. Even if you will wear the gloves at the same time, some way it will affect your hands or your skin. You have to scrub your hands, you have to do many things, you have to rub the windshield. This cover really helps you in this matter. You don't have to use your hands unnecessary in removing any snow, just you have to remove the cover and that's all. Easy. After that, it increases the driver visibility. When we remove the snow from windshield, we know that it is not properly removed. It remains moisturized. Windshield remain moisturized, and while driving, at the same time, it creates problems. And in this problem, it is a perfect solution that you have to apply the cover, and when you remove it, the windshield will not be moisturized. The visibility for the driver to drive the vehicle will be really good as compared to the other vehicles. It's of having a windshield cover. Now, what are our target customers? We mainly target the customers of Canada and USA because, as in my perception, these two countries are the biggest countries, and even snowfall comes much in these countries. They have to suffer with snowfall, and it is not easy to suffer with it. Along with it, the country like France, UK, those countries also suffer with snowfall at higher peak. Some states of India too, European countries too. Now, in this case, we are targeting all these countries, mainly Canada and USA. We will sell our products in every way, such as we are going to open our showrooms at some places. Other option is we are going to sell it online, which is really a easy method to buy the product even in this COVID-19 pandemic. And we all know, in upcoming 9 to 10 years, it will be not easy to buy the product directly from the shops, because it will take time to diminish this COVID situation from the country, from the world. It will take time, seriously. In this case, we're gonna sell our product online, which will be even easy for everyone, and no one have to make much efforts. We're gonna give full satisfaction to our customers. Well, we're gonna keep well organized structure in the company. Our delivery boys, our delivery purpose, it will be best of all. Now we can see the parts of more snowfall and less snowfall, where we can compare that there are too much places where snowfall occurs every year. Definitely. If we go with the competitors, our first competitor is Illuto. Illuto is a company that has windshield covering that basically includes covers for vehicles, tires, and main body. This company sells its products to countries like Canada, same USA, France, UK, Spain, Italy, and many more. Their price range is from $28 to $98, which is too much. And if we compare it with the quality of the product, it is not that much better as we see it with our product. We have one more competitor. It is Trixis. It is a brand of Digiflex. It has spread its boundaries to Europe and rest of the world. This company comes up with different types of shares for the vehicle, but at the same time, the quality of product is not so good. If we look at price, although our product and a company are beginners in the market, we know, but the product we use, the quality we make of the product is much better than other competitors in the market, other products in the market. We have the best one, we can claim that. At the same time, if we look at the price, the cover for the screen, like windshield cover price starts from $13.25, is too much cheaper than other brands. At the same time, if we go with combo windshield, means plus body cover, will be of $29.99. At the same time, it is much cheaper than other products. All the prices are reasonable and affordable for the middle class people as compared to the competitors. A key point: what is the ratio you're gonna have to invest in a company? Now I'm sure that you know that it is a profitable product. There is no chances of any loss in this product. No chances. Now if we think of the ratio you have to invest, we are four partners. We all have invested 80% of the shares. That is our shares. You just have to invest 20% of it. Being in company, having profits with us, just to have to invest 20% in our company. Definitely it is a big deal for you. Really a big deal for you. You will not have any chance of failure. We don't have any chance of failure because our product is reliable. We are using best product, we are giving best quality product, we are giving best facilities to our customer, we will satisfy our customer. There are no chances of failure. Keep this in your mind, and just you have to invest in our company and have too much profits. That's all. Thank you so much to contribute your time. Contribute your time.